In this video, we're going to talk about Focus, which is a brand new SocialFi app from DeSo, which is aiming to disrupt the trillion-dollar social media market and creator economy. Focus combines the best features of OnlyFans, Patreon, X, and other billion-dollar social platforms into one app. And it's built on the DeSo blockchain, which means it's powered by permissionless crypto-native monetization models that just aren't possible in Web 2. Unlike with a traditional social network, all user content on Focus is stored on-chain with end-to-end encryption, where nobody can ever censor your content. With Focus, you can finally own your content in the same way that you can own your Bitcoin. And Focus has opened their reservation flow, allowing users to reserve tokens similar to staking, with the flexibility to choose any supported cryptocurrency via Hero Swap, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, USDC, and DeSo. So let's head over to focus.xyz and take a look at everything in more detail. So when you get to the Focus homepage, you can see a giant countdown timer showing you when the current bonus will expire, and we'll talk about that in more detail in just a second. But if we scroll down here towards the bottom, we can see that since reservations have opened, Focus has already reserved over $30 million, and there's also a leaderboard with the top profiles who have reserved the most, with Jack Ma reserving $1.7 million, a couple other profiles with over $1 million, and a ton of six-figure reservations. You can go scroll all the way down to the bottom here and see just how much people are contributing to Focus. And if you want to learn more about Focus, you can click on the white paper link as well as the tokenomics, which breaks down everything in great detail. And if we head back to this countdown timer, we can see that there's currently a 100% bonus, meaning the amount of tokens that you reserve in Focus, you'll receive a 100% match in Focus tokens. And the countdown timer is showing how much longer this bonus will be in place. Currently, the bonus is 100%. So for example, let's say you reserved $100 worth of DeSo when the bonus was 100%. That means you'll receive $100 in Focus tokens when the app launches. And if you want to see the bonus schedule, you can click here and we can see that the bonus percentage drops about 5% every couple of weeks. So you really are incentivized to contribute to Focus as soon as possible. So when you're ready to reserve some Focus, all you have to do is hit this blue button and then you'll choose how much you want to reserve. In this example, I'll go ahead and just do $100. And you'll be prompted to either create a new DeSo wallet or log into an existing one, and I'll go ahead and create a wallet. And because I'm creating a new wallet for this example, I'll hit sign up with DeSo seed. I'll make sure to copy my DeSo seed phrase and hit continue. And we'll just paste it here to make sure that I have it copied. And I'll go ahead and do a capture here just to get some starter DeSo so that I can transact on the DeSo blockchain. And the last step here is to approve the transaction. So now I can create an on-chain username and we'll just randomize it and go with Rainbow Raccoon 34. And next we choose the deposit currency, which thanks to Hero Swap, we have a number of different options to choose from, and I'll go with Ethereum. And we can see here, this is how much Ethereum I need to deposit and how much I'll receive in return, as well as the network fee, which is about $2. And now the next step is to deposit my Ethereum. So all I have to do is copy this address and send my Ethereum from whatever wallet I have to this address. So I'll open up my MetaMask and do exactly that. So in my MetaMask wallet, I sent 0.415 Ethereum to this address, and now we'll just hit refresh here. And because the Ethereum blockchain can take some time, it'll take a few seconds for it to pop up. And now we can see that the swap of 0.04 Ethereum to 2.38 DeSo is happening. So we'll give it a few more seconds. And now it looks like the swap of Ethereum to DeSo was successful, and I have $101 in my account ready to reserve on Focus. So the last step is here just to hit reserve $100 allocation. We'll approve the transaction, and just like that, $100 worth has been reserved on Focus, and I got that nice 100% bonus on top of that. And this page here is where we can manage our allocations, and we can see we allocated $100 worth of DeSo that will be unlocked at the launch of Focus, and we'll also get that bonus of $100, which has a 5-year lockup period and will be available after that. And on this page, you can also refund the money that you deposited, so you'll lose your bonus, but if you ever need the money that you locked up, you can get it right back, no issues at all. And to get back to your allocation page, all you have to do is click on your profile in the top right and hit My Allocations, and it'll take you right back here. So as you can see from the countdown timer, the 100% bonus is ending soon, and that bonus rate will continue to decrease over time. So make sure to head to focus.xyz today to reserve your tokens and get that nice bonus as well.